Hi everyone.
Hi from Hema.
Big hi from Raj.
Hello from Aishroy.
Hi from Venkat.
Hi, from Krish.
Big hi from
from
Rima.
Don.
Big hi from Mariam. Hello from Koti.
Big hello from Benny.
Hello from
Hi from
Zibzi.
Reddy.
Hello from
Hello
Iti.
from Hariram.
Fine. May I start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay,
Jihad.
Go ahead.
Ready?
Go
Please
ahead.
go
I am
ahead.
through.
Yes, me too.
I am right on.
Me
Okay
too.
from
Okay, from
Tamsi.
Amal.
Well, looks fine. In this session, we will discuss the event data types in SystemVerilog, write simple code, simulate and analyze the output. The event data type is an enhancement over Verilog named events.
Does this mean the events are already supported in Verilog?
Yes.
Okay.
Let us look at this slide. SystemVerilog events provide a handle to an underlying synchronization object. Like Verilog, event variables can be explicitly triggered and waited for. Furthermore, events triggered can persist with the state, or we can say it is a persistent trigger, and lasts for the duration of the entire time step, until simulation time advances. This allows the users to examine the state of the triggered event. Any questions so far?
Il y a va question, quand we generate the triggers.
Sorry, I can't get that.
I think she meant to ask, how can an event be triggered?
Okay, now I got it. Yes, we can trigger an event by using its operator, and a process will wait for it in a synchronization queue.
Okay.
In detail, when a process waits for an event to be triggered, the process is put on a queue maintained within the synchronization object.
To add further, processes will wait for the event to be triggered, using at the rate of operator, or by using the wait construct to examine its triggered state.
Nice interaction, very interesting. Let us look at the operators used for waiting the events and for triggering events.
I like to add, the flow is create event variable, create an event trigger, and wait for an event.
Yes, but using at the rate of operator, this flow may yield different result. I mean the process or procedure gets blocked until event triggered again post the blocking.
That means, if the trigger executes first, then the waiting process remains blocked.
Yes, now for this session, we use the triggered property or persistent trigger with wait construct.
It would be nice if we can write a simple code and simulate.
Okay, we will do that, and we move on further. Let us look at the syntax.
What if no initial value is specified?
If an initial value is not specified, then the variable is initialized to a new synchronization object.
If the event is assigned null, the event becomes non-blocking with no synchronization object.
Yes, Done.
These examples looks good.
Yes, first one is simple one with no initial value.
Yes.
Second one is alias to first one.
Yes.
Third one is assigned or initialized with null value.
Yes, you are correct. Now we'll write the code, simulate and observe the simulated results. Now, I will write the code. Here 3 events created to use in a system, to depict a monitoring system of a transaction, in transit and reception states. Here a task is created to generate the event triggers. This is one procedural block namely P1 and triggers an event named TXDone.
And also, this block is waiting for RxDone event trigger.
Yes, and this trigger comes from the coming block P3 and completes the transaction. This is other procedural block namely P2 which is waiting for trigger from block P1.
This block also generates event trigger called in transit.
Yes. This is one procedural block namely P3 which is waiting for trigger from block P2.
This final block generates event trigger called RxDone.
This RxDone triggered event will be caught by block P1 and completes the transaction. Let us analyze the results.
At time units 10, TXDone event, triggered in block P1.
Yes, you are right.
This event is being waited from the procedure P2.
Yes.
Once this event is caught in P2, event called in transit is triggered.
The event in transit is being waited in P3.
Yes, This event, once it is caught in P3, it generates ARX done trigger.
And this event will be caught by first block, that is P1. Thus, the first block flags the entire transaction as complete.
It seems, events will be used for synchronization and inter-process communication between different procedural blocks or processes.
Yes, that is seen evident for the inter-process communication.
Yes, you got it right. Okay, this concludes the session. Thank you.
Nice session, thank you.
Indeed a nice session. Bye.
Bhaskar, as usual, you are awesome. Thank you. Keep up the good work.
No
Bye.
words to say. Many thanks.
Bhaskar,
Bye for now.
You are excellent. Thank you for patiently answering the questions. Bye.
Nice Bhaskar. Bye for now.
Ready? Bye.
I can't
will meet
hesitate
again.
to
I found it
appreciate.
difficult to
Bye.
follow. Anyway, nice one.
Big bye from Benny.
Good one indeed. Bye for now.
Bye from Rishan.
Not much to say, bye.
Look, nothing new. Anyway, thanks.
Very useful. Bye.
Thank you all.